Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all must be feeling good and taking good care of your health. As you know that today is 11th of December and the day is Friday. And now it's the time for your English class, so get ready with your English grammar skills. Let's open it and see which topic today we have to start. Here students, come towards page number 14 and 15. There is given a very interesting topic, that is use of homophones in a sentence. Today we will complete this homophones, that is also called a pair of words. Before starting it, you must know what are the homophones and what is meant by homophone. Homophones are the words that have same sound but their spell and their meanings are different. They are also called pair of words, means two words that have same sound but their spellings and their meanings are different. They are called homophones. Now students, from court to birth, BERTH, birth, till here you have to write it in your English P notebook and then you have to learn it as well. Let's see its reading. COAT, caught, and COTE, caught. Now these are two words. These are the pair of words. They have the same sound but their spell and their meanings are different. It is also called a homophone. Let's see. Coat, I wear a coat. The coat that you wear in your winter season. Coat. Second coat means the sheep are standing. The sheep are standing in a coat. Urdu meanings or Urdu sentences also given for your understanding. Dear, my mother is dear to me. Deer, a deer is running in a forest. Fair, that seems fair. Fair, he paid his fare. Fairy, I read a fairy tale. Fairy, I am waiting for the fairy. Feet, he performed a great feat. Feet, we have 10 toes on our feet. Foal, there was a group of foals in the garden. Foal, the foal odor is coming from the river. Overdue, do not overdo it. Overdue, his payment is 2 months overdue. Now you can see the meanings are different but their sound is same. Pale, the pail is full of water. Pale, the fruit's color is pale. Guest, she guessed wrong. Guest, you're a guest here. Birth, she gave a birth to a child. Birth, please reserve a berth for me. Students, now you see the words I spoke out, they are same. The words, the pair of words, two words that have same sound but their spell and their meanings are different, they are called pair of words and homophones. Students, I hope you all understood about it. Now you have to learn it and write it in your English P notebook and then share it with me. If you feel any query or if you feel any difficulty or want to ask any question, I'm there to tell you. Thank you class. Have a wonderful day.